Good morning, mga kabisi, mga kachiki ko dyan. Good morning. The time now is 12. Nandito na tayo sa Airlines. Batik Airlines. Pa-flight na naman tayo na papunta ng Perth. So, 12 o'clock. Late ang aming flight ng late. And hindi gaano marami kasi gaano kasi umuulan dito sa katulad ba rin sa Pilipinas, ulang winter. Dito kayo kung dumating kasi sa Perth.
Pertanyaan pasport tidak telah selamat.
Good morning! Nandito na po tayo sa loob ng airport, Perth, Australia. Hinihintay ko lang po yung aking sundo at hindi ko po nakikita kaya hinihintay ko. Tinitingnan ko kung nasaan na yung aking sundo. At mayroon din akong nakikilala dyan na Pilipina. Ano pa yung sundo natin? Mag alas 7 na wala pa yung ating sundo. Ito yung airport dito. Ano pa yung aking sundo? Are you Filipina? Miss? Are you Filipina? Pilipina ka pala ate. Musta naman? Kasakay ka ngayon dito sa galing Malaysia? Iba? Galing nga Pilipinas. Saan ang stopover mo?
Singapore.
Singapore. Kanina ka pa dito?
Nasi sampai.
Ganon.
Ate dali.
Sa Kaohsiung, sa Taiwan. Wala pa yung aking sundo din. Maka-late din yun. Mga kachiki, may nakilala ko si ate. Galing Pilipinas. Ate, ang pangalan mo? Sally. Nelly.
Ate sa akin.
Sa Pilipinas, ako dipulong sa Buanga del Norte.
Saya ka.
Bisaya.
Ikaw. Lanao.
Tagalanao.
Ligan.
Ay, hindi ra pa tayo maglayo din. Mindanao din. Bisaya. Nakadiri na po yun. Citizen na kadiri.
Duwan kaya ram ka.
Doon.
Duwan ka sa tuwa.
Maojud. Tinuod yan na.
Ikaw?
Citizen po ko sa Taiwan. Dual po ko sa atin.
So holiday ka lang dito?
Oo. Bakasyon lang. May mga kaibigan kasi. Mga barkada pa. Good morning mga kachiki. Welcome to Australia. At iyan na nga, tinitingnan ko pa yung aking sundo at wala pa. Wala pa naman akong connection, internet connection, hindi ako makakonect. Pero hinihintay ko pa kasi hindi pa po yun siya malate. Never yan siya malate pag yan ang nagsundo. Nauuna talaga yan sa akin dumating. Good morning sa lahat. Nakalabas na tayo ng airport mga kachiki. Ayan ang airport nila. Nandito na yung ating sundo at nag-coffee pala, kaya pala siya natagalan. Nandito na tayo sa Australia. Nakabalik na tayo. Haba ng flight. Nandito na tayo sa labas ng airport. Good morning sa lahat. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Kung saan man kayo.
Passengers are reminded to report suspicious items and behaviour to airport staff and to comply.
I mean, I'm not too sure whether the train's over there or here, but anyway,
Train?
get the train.
Going to Northern?
Best to get the train from Northern, get it to Perth, and from there to here.
Dito na tayo. Tagal nating walang upload. Ngayon lang tayo nakapag-upload na mag-travel na naman tayo. Tagal-tagal po tayo dito mga kachiki. Kulang-kulang 3 months. Ayan. Wala na po akong battery. Maglulubat na. Update ko kayo pag sa bahay na karating na tayo. Yan, hindi nila. Good morning. Wala po tayong tulog. Gutom much. I'm gutom. Kanina pa ako nagugutom sa Malaysia. Nagutom ako. Hanggang ngayon, di man ako bumili kasi mga chichirya man ang pagkain nila. Hindi tayo basta-basta kumain kung ano-ano kasi mamaya. Diba? Alam mo na naman yung ating tiyan mga kachiki. Konting diferensya lang, wala na. Sa biyahe tayo. Mahirap na, kaya tiisin na lang talaga ang gutom. Tiis naman mamaya po. Pagdating sa bahay, kakain na lang. At natulog ako. Pero nakatulog ako saglit. Ang init dito. Balik na naman tayo sa init na lugar. Sunog na naman ang ating mukha nito pag uwi na. Servo, oh my car. Sunog na naman yung ating mukha pag uwi ng Taiwan. Ito na naman yung car na huhugasan ko. Marumi na naman. Ito kayo mamaya. Good morning guys! Nandito tayo sa car. Gabiyahe tayo pa uwi ng Northern. Nandito si Happy. Ay, good morning!
Good morning, guys.
Good morning everyone! Yan po ang kalsada papunta ng Northern. At toad pala, itong video ko na to ay pinuputol ko po, tapos dalawahin ko pag-upload kasi mahahaba na po yung ating video kasi dalawahin ko pag-upload. So pinutol ko na yung isa, upload ko na yun, tapos ito pagdating sa bahay, ito po ang kadugtong sa pagbiyahe natin sa travel. Dalawahin ko pag video kasi masyado na talagang mahaba, kaya long video na. So good afternoon sa lahat. Good afternoon, good morning pa diba? What is good morning? 8:34 good morning pa. Good morning. Kumusta mga kachiki? Kumusta na kayo? Happy Monday. At sana ay kayo ay maganda ang kalagayan at nasa mabuti inyong work at nasa magandang kalusugan at pangangatawan. Dini yan ang damit ko para na kumirip. Yan. Nandito na po tayo sa loob.
Thank you to the Virgin Mother today. Thank you.
And thank you so much for to the God and Mama Mary. My flight is good. My travel is good. I'm hungry but it's bitter. It's getting hungry in my flight in the plane, but it's good. I'm enjoy. And arrival here in Nordam and I Perth this morning, so it's good. So happy, no problem, and thank you very much for to God. He is to guide me always. At all people, at all everyone, at all people, at all everyone. All people, God is guide every time. God is good all the time. So, update ko na lang kayo mamaya. Pagdating sa bahay, guys, upload ko muna itong isang una-una. Kasi medyo mahaba-haba na. Putulin ko, dalawahin ko pag-upload. At makikita na naman natin ang country ng Australia. Ayan sila, karaban nila maliit. Hindi po yan karaban, ano yan. Service nila, may pagkakarga ng mga gamit. Ayan. Alam niyo mga kachiki, may chika-chika ako sa inyo. Doon ako sa taas ng airplane.
Windy outside.
What is that?
Wind.
Wind?
Windy.
Windy, yeah. Malakas ang hangin. May chika pala ako sa inyo, no? Yung nandoon pa ako sa taas kanina umaga sa plane. At tinignan ko talaga yung view ng Australia. Napakalawak nila. Napakalawak ng bansa nila. At saka tinignan ko parang maliit lang ang dagat sa kanila, malaki ang lupa. Kaya sila dito ay pag winter, pag summer is dry na dry ang mga punong kahoy, mga damo, dry kasi ano pala sila sa tubig, malayo ang lawak ng lupa nila. Kaya pala napakalawak ng Australia. You know, honey, I just look at the upstairs in the plane. I look at here in the down in the whole in the, it's not airport yet. In the sky will be there in the airlines.
Yeah.
Then I look at here in down in the land.
Yeah,
Oh,
when
so
it comes
big.
flying in.
Yeah, I can fly in.
You can see, yeah.
I can see at all.
Yeah.
In Australia,
Nice.
oh, so big.
It's a big place.
Big place, but I just look at the water is not, that is the water here is very small. The land is very big.
Because you're coming up that side.
Yeah, that's why the planting here leaves or trees that is like this is coming summer that is dry
Yeah.
because the water is not enough.
That's right. Very dry climate.
Yeah.
But it's a good climate for growing wheat and of course grains and whatever because of the season. Hot summer, dry summer, you know, wet winter enough to,
Yeah.
but not like Kaohsiung.
Yeah, it's not like in Philippines. Philippines.
Perth gets 30 inches of rain a year. Kaohsiung gets 100.
Yeah.
It's 3 times more rain.
Yeah. Then I look at in upstairs. They have all that is small. What that called? Is small water like that.
Small rivers.
Small rivers
Yeah.
that I can see at all in the around in
Yeah.
Australia
And
because
we got salt lakes.
that is fly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's-
So guys,
It's
ang
been
laki.
flying down just inside the coast. So you would come down just inland from Geraldton.
Yeah.
Come down past Geraldton. Come down past Karratha. Come down past Kununurra.
Yeah.
Kununurra all the way down to Geraldton, you would have been on that flight path. That would have been your flight path.
Yeah. Oh,
So
that's why.
Kununurra, that's where Wood River,
Yeah.
honey.
Yep.
And up there, that's where it is wet. That's where it is green.
Green. Yeah.
Up in the Northern Territory, Australia.
Because
Yeah.
have a water.
Yeah, rain, hot, humid climate. Summer.
That's
yeah.
why.
A lot more water, a lot more rain.
O yun mga kachiki, ang lawak pala ng lupa nila, napakalawak, tapos kaunti lang pala ang tao dito. That is the big land here in Australia, but not enough people. The people is a few.
Yeah, yeah. Well, they're all on the coast.
Yeah.
They all live on the coast. They don't live out in the bush.
So guys, ayun na nga, i-chika ko sa inyo. Napakalawak. Tapos ang river nila, ang river is maliit lang. Hindi katulad ng Pilipinas. Ang river in the Philippines so big. The water is so big. The land is very small. Then lot of people, millions of people.
Yeah, very,
Grabe.
very big land.
Yeah, very
Very dry,
very, yeah.
except on the coast.
Yeah.
That's where everybody wants to live. That's
Yeah.
why we've got so many migrant Filipinos living out in the country, because nobody wants to work there, so the government allows them to come over, and if they'll work in the country, they've got a chance to become Australian citizens,
Yeah.
but also have a future. But they've got to go and work out in the country, out in the land, out in the dry area.
Yeah. Ayan, dry na naman
We
to
call
ngayon.
It's called remote regional Australia. Remote regional Australia. So it's away from the city.
Mhm.
Nobody will work there, see?
Coffee guys. Mga kachika coffee, hindi tayo makatulog dito. So, yun lang, chika ko sa inyo. So, itong video na po to ay kadugtong to sa unang video ko na nag-travel. Pinutol ko lang, kaya ito may kadugtong ito sa pag-travel pa sa airport or pag-travel nandun tayo sa taas ng airlines na habang TIN nag-flight pa lang. So, hinating ko lang po ito guys, yung aking video pag-upload kasi masyado na po mahaba. Yung una po ay nasa 20 plus na 30. So, abangan niyo guys. Thank you. And welcome my YouTube channel, Melly, Factory Worker and Traveler. And please subscribe
With Julia Andrew signing off.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to share and like. God is good. Nordam, gold, pipiline. Mga kachiki, nandito na tayo. Malapit na tayo sa bahay. Stop.
You have to stop, otherwise you
Stop.
get fined. You got to stop, absolutely stop dead, otherwise you get fined.
Malapit na tayo sa bahay. Ayan na, dito tayo. Not yet. But
That's Peter's ice cream.
ice cream?
Ice cream, make the ice cream. No, clean it up.
we are. Welcome home. Have a neighbors there, honey. This is the neighbors. Have people to live in there. Dito na tayo. Ayan ang bahay ni Harvey. Dito na tayo. Yeah, nakarating na tayo sa bahay.
So all the stuff's still
Ito
on the front
na.
veranda because I've got to use it.
Ah,
Some of
that is. You
it.
fix it.
Still using some of it.
Welcome home. Hi, hello trees.
They're not going
The
there.
times is cutting. More cutting.
Look,
Hello
all clean,
trees.
clean,
Yan.
muted.
Yan ang pinuputulan
around the
ko last
trailer.
time. Nakahoy, lubago na naman. Putulan na naman natin.
Nice. You don't need
Yeah.
to cut now though.
Yeah. Ah, that is a little bit there.
No, yeah, but you don't want to cut it this time of the year.
Ah, why not?
It's the time of the year.
Yeah.
It's good to do.
Welcome home. Dito na po tayo. Dito na tayo, guys. Nakarating na tayo sa bahay. Ay, may bag. Yan natin yung ating bagahe, guys. Yung damit natin. Yung luggage natin, nandyan pa, oh. Ayan, kunin lang natin yan mamaya. Ayan na, dito na tayo. Yung halaman ko dati, oh, iniwan ko. Ayan, lumago na, inalagaan nila. Ayan, welcome home sa bahay. Ayan. Marami na naman akong linisan. Welcome home. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, happy. Christmas story. So, thank you for watching, guys. Nandito na tayo sa bahay. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Sana po ay mag-subscribe kayo sa aking YouTube channel para dumami naman ang aking mga subscriber. So, thank you, guys. God bless you all. Bye. Ito po ang Christmas light ni Hubby. Ang dami niyang ito po ang pinakaalbalahan niya yung bago kaming umalis. Olive oil. Matikman natin to. Para siyang nagbebenta. Ayan. Ay, mga picture ng aking mga anak ko. Ang galing. Yung aking mga anak na 3. Ayan, guys. Ang nindot nila. Ang ganda. Nice. Very nice. Napaka-supportive ni Hubby. Have 3 birds. Look at this, honey. Thank you very much. So nice. Very nice.
Yes.
And how about 3 birds?
3 birds, yeah.
3 angel and 3 birds.
3 birds.
Ayan po mga anak kong 3.
So we try and keep the house.
And ito po yung mga picture namin, oh. Ginawa ni Javi ng ay, dito, oh. Ayan. Hanap. Ayan, ayan, oh. Yung sa Cebu Minute, oh. Yan ang kaganda nila. Yung pong asawa ni Habi dati, oh. Wala na po yan siya. Tapos yan. Yan asawa niya. Ang anak niya. Ayan sila, o family. Whole family. Oh. Yung picture namin ni Habi, yan, oh. So, nice picture. Tapos ito, ayan, oh. Picture ng aming family. Si Ederic. Oh. Si Mimi, yung aking kapatid, anak niya. Nice picture.